Hey, good morning, guys. It's Donald and
Mary.
And we're here to bring you your morning weather report from Blairsville, Georgia. And so Mary's going to start with the weather and the water, and then we'll move on to a little bit of trail chatter. We don't have a lot going on right now, man, but let Mary tell you what's going on with at least the weather and the water first. All right, go ahead, Mary. Take it away.
All right, thank you, Donald.
You're welcome.
Good morning, everybody. Right now in Blairsville, it's 39 degrees and clear. Today we're looking at a high of 57 with considerable cloudiness. And then tonight, 49 degrees with periods of rain and wind. The rain may be heavy later on tonight, and the winds will be between 10 and 20 miles per hour today and 20 to 30 miles per hour tonight with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. We are expecting 1 to 2 inches of rain with a 100% chance of rain. And then up on Blood Mountain today, we're looking at a high of 53 degrees, mostly cloudy, winds 15 to 20 with gusts to 40 miles per hour. And then tonight on Blood, we're looking at 47 degrees for a high and rain showers between 7 p.m. and 4 a.m. And then showers and thunderstorms are likely. Some of those showers could produce heavy rain, and it will be mostly cloudy. The winds will be 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. And then we do have 1 to 2 inches of rainfall predicted with a 100% chance of rain. Now there is a wind advisory today, Blairsville and on the trail, between 1 p.m. until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, which is March 5th. The winds are going to be between 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. So that's some heavier rain that we are expecting. And then showers and thunderstorms are expected ahead of a cold front late Tuesday into Wednesday, and some thunderstorms may become strong to severe with a wind advisory in effect Tuesday afternoon until Wednesday in the morning. Water is good on the trail right now. Now we haven't had rain for a couple of days, so make sure when you get to those seasonal areas that you do top off your water, but overall it's pretty decent out there right now still. And if we have incoming rain, that will replenish it. So that's what we have going on for the weather and the water on the trail right now. We are dropping into the cooler temperatures. I know it's a little warmer right now, but I did have a couple of folks tell me that their water did freeze overnight when they were up around the Blood Mountain area. The other night it was pretty cold out there for them. So let's keep some of those filters warm, maybe a pump or maybe the tablets or something as a replacement just in case. Donald, what else do we want to talk about this morning?
Okay, so we have the through height registry, and I was actually trying to pull it up. I was having some issues just because, I had to shut it down real quick. Okay, and so it looks like there's 124 that started on the 1st.
Wow,
in total.
That's a lot.
It is.
Yep.
And it looks like it's going up and down a little bit here.
It sure is.
I'm not sure what's up there, but I do know this, that for Novos, we're up to 1,936. Flip-flops, 99. Sobos, we're still at 4. And we're looking at the March 2025 section.
That's right.
We do have high fire danger conditions for Tuesday afternoon and evening. This is for all of central North Georgia, and this is due to strong winds and dry leaves everywhere, guys. So be careful. I don't even know, is there a fire ban?
I believe there was a bit of a fire ban. They were asking people, like in that Cooper Gap area or anywhere that they're near the fires, to try not to have a campfire and just, cook with your stoves and make sure, obviously, to extinguish them. You're going to have to before you're carrying them off anywhere. But even with just your camp stove, be extremely cautious, because one little thing can, let's just say the wind blows a leaf by, it catches a flame, got a spark, off it goes. I mean, it could happen that easily. So just extra caution. Try to not, they're trying to discourage campfires. There's no bans up there seen.
There was I apologize,
It's okay.
but there's a fire going on, or there was an active fire as of yesterday. I didn't check it this morning yet, but it was like 8 miles northwest of Delonica, I believe,
yes.
which puts it right around and so here you guys are, man. It's like right in here somewhere, man, right in the Chattahoochee, underneath the trail a little bit, like underneath that USFS 42 area, I'm thinking, right in there, man.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
between 52 down where they did the rainbow festivals
yep.
and stuff, man, down on 28.
That's right.
But yeah, definitely Camp Merrill area,
Yep.
Cooper Gap area. So be super careful this year, guys, man. The leaves, it's wet here. And yesterday I was doing like a comparison, remember?
Yes, I did.
The Atlanta to up here, man. It's 123 miles, I apologize, by highway. Let's just call it 90 miles if you were just to fly straight down to Atlanta. The humidity was different. 72 up here and it was like 50 down there, but the temps were 36 degrees down there and 22 up here. See what I'm saying? And that was at 2,000 feet up here, and higher temps drop 5 to 10. I think it's every 1,000 feet. I think it's a 5-degree difference, depending on what's going on. Because once again, we'll go back to this is the end of the Appalachian Mountains, or Appalachia, or the mountains, and that hot tropical air is pushing up. Hits the mountain range right there because it's all flatland, man. After Springer and stuff, you can see it. And then the cold air pushing down. We got 22 there, 36 here. Collides. What do we have going on? Tornado, hurricane, weather, and that type of craziness, man. Storms. Just high winds, man, and we can show you spots where this has happened and has been happening over the years and has touched down right next to where y'all are camping or hiking, man. So that is a definite. So let's keep our eyes open,
Definitely.
eyes and ears open. Pay attention to the weather, weather.org, Mountain Trail Weather, I think, or something, man. They have other hot links to these other sites that you can check out. So that all being said, is there anything else?
You know what, I did want to remind everybody, it's the beginning of March, so you know we're getting into the new season. Let's remember the March 1st through June 1st, mandatory bear canister between Girard Gap and Neal Gap. If you're walking straight through and not camping there, go for it. You don't have to bring the canister, but if you are going to camp between those two areas, you must. It is mandatory to have the bear canister. Putting them in the vaults is not good enough, because we had a rider last year and they were telling me that someone rolled into camp and they had their food in the bear vault, and they were told, no, you must have a canister. So this is not good enough for those dates. So just a heads up for everybody. Make sure if you're going to go through there. Now, if you want to camp at Lance Creek and then just hike through the next day, that works great. A lot of people do that. But just remember, mandatory. I heard the fine's $150 if you get caught. Now, that's hearsay, so I can't verify that yet. But as soon as we
but
would
you
know,
do
we'd
get
let you
fined.
know. Yes.
They will say something too if they catch you out there doing it. Not only that, it's a hot spot for bears, guys.
Yes.
Just heads up, man. All right. Is there anything else you'd like to say, man?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
All right, sweet, guys. If we hear anything else, we'll give you guys a heads up, man. I hope everyone has a beautiful day, man. We're here for you. I'm here manning the phones. Jordan's in his RAV. She's in her SUV. We're working on another car. It's coming. It's coming. All right, guys, man, lots of hard work, man. Sly's going to be here in less than a week, so the store will be open, too. All right. Peace. One love. Laters. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.